Hey guys, this is Japan Monster channel. I'm Kigesho. Today I like to talk about why Japan has the highest life expectancy. You may already know that Japan is a long life country. The average life expectancy data in 2020 research from Japanese Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare. Women are 87.74 years old, the number one in the world, and men are 81.64 years old, in second place in the world. Seems likely every year the average age is increasing. What I think the first reason of longevity is food. The graph is the total prevalence of obesity in men and women over the age of 18 years old across the 7 major markets in 2022. Compared to other countries, Japanese has a healthy body shape. So I guess eating habits are the biggest factor in longevity. Japan has traditional food culture. The traditional Japanese diet consists of high consumption of vegetables, fish, and soybean products, and low consumption of animal fat, meat, and dairy. I will explain more detail of Japanese eating habits by giving 5 points. 1. Eat 80% of what you can eat, like kaiseki cuisine, which is a typical Japanese dish. Japanese meals have a large number of plates, like type of dishes, but the amount of dishes served on one plate is small. Then you will have the illusion that you have eaten a lot and you will feel full, even you did not eat until you are full. Hara hachibu is a famous Japanese phrase that eat only 80% of what you can eat. Try not to eat until you feel you cannot eat anymore. That's the meaning of this phrase. 2. Eat proper 3 meals a day and less eating out. Breaking breakfast is the most important things in Japanese dietary culture. Japanese housewives get up early every day and work hard to make a breakfast for their family. In many homes, children cannot go to school until they finish eating breakfast. In addition, many children go to school with their mother's handmade lunch boxes. They make nutritious meals in consideration of health. The most of the time, lunch box is colorful by packing a variety of ingredients. Number 3. Healthy cooking method. In Japan, healthy cooking methods such as anhydrous cooking that do not use a lot of salt or oil are common. In fact, you can do aemono, the seasoned dishes, steamed dishes, and boiled dishes without oil. By doing so, the nutrients that the ingredients originally have remain. And Japanese food has a wide variety of types and cooking methods, like raw, grilled, boiled, steamed, stir-fried, things like that, and has a rich nutritional balance. Number 4. Low calorie 30 items of ingredients used daily. Low fat contents, which is a characteristic of Japanese food. Low sugar intake. Fat intake is by far the lowest in developed countries. The Japanese are very concerned about calories. Even restaurants in ordinary towns clearly indicate the calorie on the menu, and fresh ingredients are used to eat raw food with a light taste. Above all, the country advocates eating 30 different ingredients a day, and many housewives prepare their meal based on that. Number 5. Drink green tea. Often eat seafood and natto. It is characterized by grain intake centered on cooked rice and high fish intake. Since Japan has abundant marine products, Japanese people eat more fish than foreign countries. Seaweeds such as wakame seaweed and kelp are also often eaten. In addition, the intake of vegetables, including tofu and natto, is high. They also consume a lot of soybean products such as tofu, natto, and miso, and it can be said that these are food cultures that are less likely to cause arteriosclerosis. In addition, Japanese people have been drinking green tea for a long time, but by taking a lot of antioxidants such as catechin and vitamin C contained in green tea, it is expected to be effective in preventing arteriosclerosis and cancer. Similarly, dietary fiber and dairy products may also affect the extension of life expectancy in Japan. These are all the characteristics of Washoku, which is Japanese food. Washoku is a traditional Japanese food culture, and the nutritional balance is very good because fresh ingredients are cooked in various ways while making the best use of the taste of the ingredients themselves. Based on one soup and three side dishes tradition, which is called Ichiju Sansai. Common dish is meat or fish of main dish with soup and rice, plus two small side dishes such as vegetables, seaweed, and dried food. Another reason of longevity is medical care. I talk about food a lot, so I won't dig deeper for the medical care, as the eating habits is a major reason of long life. I will make the video for Japanese medical care system later. If you want to live long, I suggest to eat a Japanese-like meal to keep your healthy life. Avoid eating the only brown color dish and eat colorful meal to intake well-balanced nutrition. Of course, not artificial food color, the natural color. Today's Japanese vocabulary that I want you to remember is ichiju sansai, 1 soup and 3 side dishes. Hara hachibu, eat only 80% of what you can eat. Jumyo, which means lifespan. Yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the contents, please press like, and if you want to know more about Japan, please press subscribe button. And also leave some comments what kind of topic or video you would like to watch. I will talk to you soon. Bye.